Hi, I'm here with Vasiliy from a company that is producing or developing drill bits, from what I hear.
Correct.
Maybe introduce yourself a little bit in your company. What do you do?
I'm Vasiliy Zbaraskiy. I'm a CTO and co-founder of a company called ZerdaLab. We design and manufacture bespoke PDC drill bits for hard rock drilling, and we specialize on geothermal market specifically. The reason we do that is because the reason we focus on a drill bit because it's one thing that defines what is actually possible economically to achieve in on a drilling phase of a geothermal. So it's of paramount importance to get the PDC bit right, but it's a very difficult subject to deal with as an engineer. So we streamline and simplify the whole process and build a physics-based model that allow us to objectively design and select the right cutting structure for the application. It's a focus on cutting structure and the rock, nothing else.
So, in a sense, I guess you from the perspective of, let's say, someone like me that doesn't understand it, so you're basically bespoke create drill bits for the client under their, let's say, design requirements or requirements on the geology and the project for a specific project.
Absolutely. But ultimately, we try to move conversation from, when drilling engineers have to go through endless, infinite variety of drill bits available to them in a market to make probably one of the most important decisions. It's a big, big question and a lot of pressure on a drilling engineer to make this decision. And a lot of risks involved with this decision doesn't pay off. We're trying to move conversation from the design features and aspects of the design to the KPIs and the performance that you should be requesting. You should be coming to a drill bit company saying, here is an application. I need 1,000 meters of that to be drilled at 10 meters an hour ROP. What bit you use for this, what features you use, I don't care. All I care about is that's your objective, you deliver it. So there is a lot of aspects on efficiency that we address, but ultimately we deliver the bits that perform to the best possible ability available today with today's technology.
Okay. And I mean, you're based in Aberdeen. In
we're based in Granite City, in Aberdeen, yeah.
And I mean, you're now here in Indonesia.
Yeah.
I mean, are you basically kind of going to the global market out there with your product, and how do you then deliver into these, let's say, remote locations? How do you do that?
So I mentioned the streamlining the manufacturing part as well. We streamline manufacturing through decentralization of the manufacturing. Okay. We can manufacture a PDC drill bit with non-drill bit manufacturing company, tapping into spare capacity of the manufacturing community in country to cut the cost on shipping, to cut the lead time, and etc. And here in Indonesia, we have a lot of manufacturing expertise and capacity to be able to actually produce bits locally for local market, and we try to replicate it everywhere. The reason why we are in Jakarta today is because, we specialize on hard rock. The ultimate case for difficult drilling is geothermal. Yeah. If we can fix it in geothermal, we can fix it anywhere. Bring the bits to the volcanic rock of 45K PSI, drilled with water on a very average rig, aerated mud. Try to achieve the best possible performance in this kind of application, and then we are talking. So that's one part. Second part, if it is geothermal, where else? We had our first run in New Zealand last year. We have a second run happening soon, and we think it's about the time to bring it to one of the biggest geothermal players and with some of the most prominent challenges in the geothermal market here. I was told the conference is happening. I booked the tickets and just came here with no plan, but to talk to people. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thanks so much for sharing, and good luck with your business. Sounds very interesting, and
thank you very much.
We're looking forward to follow you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.